In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile picture on Circle. So, this is a straightforward process, and by the end of it, you'll have your own image proudly displayed for all your Circle.so interactions. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Circle.so account. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your current profile photo, or perhaps a default avatar, depending on whether you've uploaded one before. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a menu where you'll see the option Edit Profile. Click on this option and you'll be taken to the profile editing page. Now that you're in the profile settings, the next step is to focus on the profile picture area. You'll notice an icon that looks like a camera over your current image or placeholder. Click on this camera icon. By doing so, you're given the option to upload a new profile picture. You might also see a button labeled Upload Profile Picture. Both options will do the trick, so feel free to click either. With that done, you're going to be prompted to select an image file from your device. A File Explorer window should pop up, allowing you to browse through your files and select the perfect image you want to use as your profile picture. Here's a tip. Make sure your image is clear and appropriately represents you or your brand, as this is what others will see during interactions on Circle. Once you've found the right image, click on it and then select Open or Upload depending on your operating system. Give it a little time for the upload to complete. Usually it's pretty quick, but larger files might take a tad longer. And voila! Your selected image is now set as your profile picture. You should see the change immediately on your profile page. This updated image will now be the face of your Circle.so account, visible to all the group members and in your community interactions. That's all there is to it. You've successfully updated your profile picture on Circle. So, this simple change helps personalize your account and makes your profile more recognizable to others in the Circle. So, community. Remember, should you ever want to update it again, just repeat the steps we went through today. Feel free to mix it up as often as you'd like. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out through the comments section. Enjoy your newly updated profile, and thanks for tuning in.